I just want to touch on a couple of things before we back off from this manifest spatial reality. We're going to look at things from another little angle. But I just wanted to say, in the last video, I called this isosahedron, which of course is a tetrahedron, and I just wanted to clear that up. Also, I wanted to mention in the octahedral, the tetrahedral reality, there's always this gap here. I mean, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrahedrons. It will not close, you know, and so that it's an open cycle, that there's a cyclic interruption conceptually there, which has some significance in terms of time that I want to talk about later on, but I just wanted to show you that. And also, I wanted to just look at a matrix. I mean, this is simply the octet matrix with nothing, nothing demonstrated in it. But this matrix includes everything that we've talked about, you know, at some dimension. You know, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dimensions. Frequency, right? And it's all based in a conceptual starting point dimensionality, which is a given. So the given is the prime consideration. It's the constant. You could call it the speed of light. And everything else is a even-numbered frequency division of that conceptual prime consideration. And that's an important concept to keep. Now, within this matrix, I just wanted to show you what we talked about in the last video from another perspective. Maybe, you know, not so easy to see, but at least we did show the cube octahedron, or like what I said, the vector equilibrium. That structure is right in here. This is the square face. This is the square face. These are the triangular faces on it. Let me get this out of the way. And then, so this is, and then over here, it's shown by the cube. This is the octet cube manifestation. So the octet, this is the octahedron in the middle, and these are the tetrahedrons on each corner. So this is the octet. And then the vector equilibrium interpenetrates it, so that you could think of, in the matrix, there are two cells that are interpenetrated. There's the octet star, and there's the vector equilibrium interpenetrated in between. The vector equilibrium only has structure because of the matrix, as we showed you in the jitterbug, the moving structure, that there is no integrity until it has until it resolves into, well, it has integrity at the moment it's an isosahedron, and it has integrity when it's an octahedron, and it has integrity as the tetrahedron. Okay? So that's just something I wanted you to realize about the matrix. It's all there, but you have to have the eye to see it, you know? So I guess that's just what I wanted to do one more thing, and just remind you of this beautiful realization, that the octahedron, which has a volume of 4 tetrahedrons, you just move this vector, you know, move this rib here, and like this, like this, like this, and you end up with 3 tetrahedrons, 1, 2, 3, and then of course so from the 4 tetrahedral volume of the octahedron, you start into the organic tetrahelix, this way, and you could even imagine that the missing tetrahedron pops out here, giving you the beginning of the tetrahelix. So this is a transitional concept between organic and inorganic also, and this will play in later on in an anecdotal way. So I just wanted to remind you of that. Okay, that's it.